Today we are going to see real-time application using Blink app with Arduino. So generally once when we work regarding toward this kind of mini IoT platforms, we have seen previously like through ThinkSpeak we will be able to monitor and store the data, and from that we will be able to take a CSV file. Within that itself we can provide any kinds of indications. So the indication perfectly once whenever we are meaning over that, like an red light indication or display or within that gauge meter. So there are only limited types of displays inside that particular ThinkSpeak. But inside this Blink app we have many types and we can do many kinds of widgets. Everything can be done with some of the low and free oriented cost inside this particular Blink app. If you are registering into this particular Blink app, it is very easy and they are providing some limited free trials for you in order to work as well as research with the IoT. But the difference between the Blink app as well as the ThinkSpeak or any other clouds, the Blink app, it is the only one in order to which collects and visualizes the data in a live format. But if you go for the ThinkSpeak, AWS or Microsoft Azure, these kind of complete data will be stored until you erase it or whenever you require it. So this kind of main difference only between the Blink app as well as the ThinkSpeak or AWS, whatever we have. The same thing if you are just going with ThinkSpeak means it is not possible to control any kinds of device with the help of this virtual, and they won't be also providing this kind of very good user interfaces. Then if you go for AWS means there will be some sort of user interfaces which is more complicated, but that particular complicated also it is used in real time. So if you want to just make a temporary kind of device which is in live, if it is in live we will be able to work as easy as possible. For that I will be suggesting this particular Blink app. Now let us see what are the steps to be created. So in the session we will be working with a real-time application with NodeMCU. Like with the help of DHT11 sensor, we will be visualizing that particular temperature as well as the respective humidity with my mobile phone, and at the same time with the help of the mobile phone we will be controlling two LEDs with a simple program. Now therefore let us download the Blink app. It is available in Apple App Store and iStore, everywhere it is available. So you just download that particular Blink app. So hereby I use my particular Blink app. This is my Blink app. I have already logged into it, and therefore once if you log in it will be showing like this. If you want to scan any QR code, that is also okay. So to scan any of the QR code to get the key, that is okay. And to know about this particular Blink app you can tap on it, but once you have to create any of the project. If you have any of your created project you can visit in my app. If you have any questions or queries you can get into the community. If you want to create a new project, tap on the new project, and if you want to just exit this particular app, just press on this logout. So now I'm not going to log out. Then after signing up, create a project and get the token into our main. So hereby I am tapping on it. Select the required device. I am going to use NodeMCU. Yeah, so from here we have received our NodeMCU. Click on OK. This will be communicated through Wi-Fi alone. Give a title for the project. I am giving the title as MASTER. Done. Now if you want dark mode or light mode, we can select it. Let's go to dark mode. That is better, I hope so. So hereby now it is clearly visible. So these are the particular requirements. Now click on create project. The authentication has been sent to the respective mail ID, and I have received a mail. Now let us log in and just check the mail. So hereby I have received it. Now authentication token. This is the most important token over here. Now therefore let us move on to the next step. So now we have created the project and we have got the token. Now we have to select the required hardware as well as the virtual button for our complete application. So therefore I have enabled it. My project name is master. Now from this I can select whatever the requirement I need. Since I have already said we are going to measure the data from DHT11. So from that single sensor we are able to get two different values. Now for that I have to select two different displays. So hereby these are all the availabilities, and among that for visualization I am going to take a labeled value and the other one is the couch. Now I have placed it. If I want means I can increase the size. Now inside the label value I have to select the required one, select the pin. So through virtual pin I am going to receive the data, and hereby I select V0. Click on OK. For each and every second the data should be uploaded. Now everything is ready. So hereby if I want means I can also just put any of the data. I am giving it as C. Still anything, I can make the text a little bit bigger, make it as center alignment. Title is temperature, so TEMP, so that is enough. Now click on OK. So hereby we will be receiving the data. Virtual, go for V1, click on OK. Here we can make it up with 100. So from this I am taking the percentage for humidity. Do not push for each and every second. For each and every second the data will be updated. HUM. So humidity and temperature both are ready. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.